My channel. Today we are going to take a look at the few of the Cydia tweaks that are brand new, just got dropped today, and we're going to take a look at it, and we're going to install it, and we're going to set it up on your jailbroken device. Now, before we start this, let me fix some of the settings. And also, I just want to say, let me know, guys, if you guys can hear me or not, because last week I went live and there was that problem that nobody could hear me. So I just want to wait. So there's two people. Hello, Jeff. Thank you. Welcome to live stream. And these are the, couple tweaks that got dropped today. And instead of making a video and bring it out to you guys, I thought, awesome. Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it for your feedback. So instead of making a video, I thought, let's go live and have fun a little bit and, mess with these few of the brand new Cydia tweaks. So as you guys can see, just as a normal, we go on the Cydia. And once we go on the Cydia, and as you guys can see right here, the tweaks are already installed, these four right here, but it look like there is another new one. It's April. This is look like that's an old tweak, but it's been updated. Look really nice if I look at it. I haven't installed it yet, as you guys can see on the top, but let's see what's new. The best news is, as you guys can see right here, it's got updated today, April 23rd, 2021. So it is free. So it's been updated for 14.5 jailbreak. So this is awesome. I was waiting for that. I love this tweak. This is my all-time favorite tweak. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to install this one too, so we can talk about it, that one as well. So let me do that process, and then we go ahead and take a look at it. So as you guys can see, it's installing. It's just got installed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into my settings, and we're going to go to tweak section. As you guys can see right there, April. So this is the interface. As you guys can see, there's a lot of, as I remember, this tweak was 13.5 and 13.3, but this whole tweak been changed. This is awesome, and this is really nice tweak. So there you go. That's what it look like with the dark mode. And as you guys can see, I can't see the word. I don't know. As we see right here, you got the switch, but then you got the colors, and I don't really see anything, the writing. What are you doing with that? So I have to figure it out if the one of my other tweak making this look like that, or it's just a glitch, because it just got dropped. As we can go back to the Cydia, let's see what time it got dropped, because so this was dropped at 8:01 p.m. and as of right now, if we look at the time right there, 8:09. So it's been about like 8 minutes. So it's brand new. Probably there's a glitch. So now we're gonna look at the snapshots in the Cydia. So as you guys can see right here, this is look like the setting page right here, and then you got the setting page right there. So these all three setting page, but it look like you can save the picture. You can save the, change the colors of background of your setting. So let's go back to the tweak right here. As you guys can see, it just got changed right here. So now the first option is to enable it right there. So we're going to enable it, as you guys can see. The next one is, as you guys can see right here, choose a image. So let me go to my pictures, and we're going to put this image right here. And then next one, you can change the blur. So as of right now, I'm just going to leave it like that. And we're going to go this one. We're going to flip this switch on, go back. Okay, so April right there. So now we flip this one, and then let's do this one right here. As you guys can see, while you flipping the switch and turning on and it taking effect, look like you don't need a respring for this uh, tweak. So let's turn this off. I don't like the white and dark. And then as you guys can see right here, you can do, okay, actually we're going to turn it on and we're going to change the color. So let's do the red, and then apply. So from here, we'll click this, and then we're going to do the second one. Let's do the this one right here, and we're going to click the X button right there on top. As you guys can see, we got the orange on the top and the yellow in the bottom. So now we can do this right here, and as you guys can see, we have the gradient direction. So now we can do top and bottom. You can do top and bottom as well, bottom and top, and then you do top and bottom, left and right. Let's try this. As you guys can see now, the colors shifted. And now the next one, we're gonna do right to left. As you guys can see, upper left, lower right, and then you can do lower right and upper left. As you guys can see, this is awesome. I like it. As you guys changing the um, options is showing you taking effect right there and then, so that way we know what it will look like at the end. And as you guys can see, we got the chat with us on Decor. So this is the link. It will take you to Decor application. You can chat with these developer, I will say. And that's about it. And now if we go exit, as you guys can see right here, we got the background customized, and this is look nice. I mean, I like it. As you guys can see, break it down in the sections, and wow, this is really cool application tweak, and I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And now if we go back into the Cydia, and then we're going to take a look at the next um, tweak, which is this one right here. Is called CarPlay Plus Plus. So as you guys can see, I'm sure you guys understand CarPlay Plus Plus. So if you have a tweak that you're using, it's called Car Bridge. This is for that. So once you install this tweak, CarPlay Plus Plus is a tweak to give the instruction to CarPlay. So now if we go a little bit down, as you guys can see, the new function of the CarPlay Plus Plus, number of CarPlay dashboard app rows. So you can, custom your rows, how many rows there should be, and then you can change the columns, how many columns you want on your CarPlay, hide the CarPlay label, and then you can do the CarPlay label background color hidden, and then you can change the CarPlay label text color and change CarPlay wallpapers. Oh wow, this is awesome. You can actually change the wallpaper on your CarPlay. As you guys can see these pictures right here. um, so now what are we gonna do? We're gonna go into the setting. Once you download that, go to your setting, and we're gonna go to tweaks, and we're gonna find the CarPlay plus plus, as you guys can see right here. And as you guys can see right there, the first option is to able. Then you can change the row. The first option is the row. You can do 2 or you can do 3. And then we got the column. You can do 4 or 5. That's up to you. That's really awesome. And then you can hide the icon label, CarPlay. You can hide the icon label background, or you can icon labels color CarPlay. So as you guys can see, and then the next one right here, as you guys can see, we can choose an image. You can put a picture, or like, nice, a picture on your background, and it will show up on your CarPlay. So this is really, really awesome. And as of right now, I do have this spring loader logo that Apple event just happened a couple days ago. So I'm using that picture right here. Um, and you can do the default or you can do the fit. So this is really, really awesome tweak, and I like it. I haven't tested on my car yet because I haven't gone out, but I set it up on my phone. So when I go out, I test it, and then if there's anything that you guys need to know, I will, make another video probably in my car to show you guys what it looked like on the car. But if you guys, want to go ahead and download this and test it, go ahead. There's so far I haven't seen any issue with that yet. So hopefully there's no issue when you connect to your car and you play through the car bridge. Now the next week is we are going to talk about is chat wall beta right here. And this week basically, as you guys can see that on top, chat wall. So with this tweak, as you can see, custom wallpaper for your iMessage. So this tweak is basically for your iMessage, and you can put the wallpaper on your background of your iMessage. And as you guys can see right there, it is comparable with the iOS 13, iOS 14.3, and it was dropped today. As you guys can see, there's a date, uh, April 23rd, 2021. So I already downloaded it. So if once you download this, go to your setting, go to your tweak section, and we're gonna look for chat wall right there. So if we open up, as you guys can see right here, for some reason it's giving me error. It's not, it did not install properly, but it's already installed. So as of right now, I will say just wait because brand new Cydia tweak, and hopefully the developer of this tweak will see this video and he will fix it, because as of right now, let's go into the setting, and if I go back and go to my, let's go to about, and if I show you guys right here, 14.3 iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I'm using the Unc0ver jailbreak, as you guys can see right there, and I have the Cydia, but for some reason this one says right here iOS 13, iOS 14.3, but it's not working on my phone. So I will not recommend you guys downloading it yet. Probably it's gonna get fixed in a next update or so. As soon as it gets fixed, Windows man, hi, how are you? Thank you so much. So as soon as I figure it out, or if if whenever it get fixed, I'll probably make throw in the next video. But as of right now, do not download the chat wall. It's still in a beta, as you guys can see. Probably that's why it's not fully working. So let's wait for that. The next one we are going to talk about is this one right here. It's MagSafe controller, as you guys can see right there. And with this, let's look at the description right here. Customize MagSafe charging view, and then you got all the description right here. iOS 12 and above feature, and then as we can see right here, when you connecting device to power source on iOS 14.1 and above, control size and the color of the MagSafe charging view, elements, ability to control. Hi, window man. Can you hear me? And so once you download this, just simply go to your setting and go to your tweak section, and we're going to find the MagSafe, and it is going to be right here. Once we open up, as you guys can see, awesome. Thank you for confirmation. I appreciate it. So as you guys can see, this is the interface for this, and these are the settings. And let's go through the settings. As you guys can see, able tweak. So you flip that switch right there. And then we got the custom or the native. And then next one, the next window is, as you guys can see, you can enable wired charger, wireless charger, and the MagSafe charger. So you have the option for all three. So as of right now, I'm using the wireless charger right now, as you guys can see right here. If I put my device on, 1 second. Thank you. I appreciate it, window man. We love you too. So now next one right here. So what I'm going to do, there you go. So I have the pink color MagSafe, and this is for the wireless charging. But you can do, this is awesome that developer put all three options. You don't have to have the MagSafe to have the animation. You can have it with the wire, or you can have it with the wireless charger. So, and then you have the control elements. You can change the how big your bolt look like, and the ring line. So all this good stuff you can change. You can change the ring background. You can, and then you got the default right here. Now you, with this option right here, you can change the colors right here. So you can do green. Green is actually with the default, but if you want yellow, you can do yellow. You can do red, and then you can have the color set for the in low power mode. You can have the green, yellow, and red, and then you can blur the background. You can do light or the dark. So this is, and once you choose your settings and you think you like it, all you have to do, hit that respring button on the top right corner, and it will respring, and then you can unplug it or plug it back in, and you will see the awesome animations and colors that you choose. So now that's out of the way. Let's talk about this one right here. Now, this one I have not installed yet. The reason is because, as you guys can see right here, is no more short code. So, I mean, you can do it. I'm not into that kind of stuff, so that's why I'm not going to do it. Automatically delete 2FA or short code after a set amount of time. So as we scroll down and use only, so there is no warranty provided for this tweak. I am not responsible for any damage. So that's the reason I do not trust this tweak. I could work 100%, or it could break your device. So don't just go and download this one right here. So it's not 100% yet. It might be later on, because as of right now, the developer giving the message that, as of right now, as you guys can see right here, it says tested on iOS 14.3. So he's saying he tested it, but he's not giving any warranty. Window man, thank you so much. I appreciate it for the love. And he's not 100% that it will work, so I will say just wait on it. As you guys can see, I did not install it, and I don't want to take a risk because it's really hard when you have a perfect device that working and you have all those awesome Cydia tweaks that working, and you have all the setup going, and then you install one bad tweak, and bam, what happens? You ruin your whole device. So you don't want to do that. And the next one we are going to take a look at is this one right here, Reach Player. As you guys can see right there, it says Reach Player. Now with this, what you can do, now playing info in reachability window. So I'm sure you guys got the point. So reach player now playing info in reachability window. Reach player adds a sleek interface to your reachability window with the new playing song. So what I'm gonna do, once you download that, then you want to do go to settings and go to your tweak section, and we're going to find that tweak, and it's going to be this one right here. So once we open up, as you guys can see, we have, this is the interface, and now this first option is, what I did was I just turn on the first option right here, just flip that switch, and then after that, as you guys can see, I just left it everything on default right here. So window man, you say you have iPhone X and you already jailbreak it? You already have the Cydia working? So I did not mess with that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to exit out of the setting, go to, actually go to this right here. What I'm going to do, yes, awesome. So how's everything working for you? Did you, let me ask you a quick question. I'm sorry, everybody. So have you installed the tweak that I made a video a couple days ago, I think, yesterday or day before that? I made a video that you can do picture in picture on YouTube, right? I don't know you got to that video or not yet, and it's awesome. It's working, and if you haven't watched that video and you don't have that function on your phone yet, I will say go check it out. And the video, it's a couple days ago. Not, you don't have to search too much. It's just picture in picture. So back to this right here. If I open up right here, as you guys can see, this is my video, how to get CPU X Pro version for free. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play this, and I turn off the volume because I don't want any copyrights. Even I'm playing my own video. So we exit out of this, and now watch right here. When I pull down from the dock down, as you guys can see, we got the video, and now playing player in your reachability right there. This is really awesome, really cool, and even you can skip the song. And as of right now, this is my saved on the Apple library, so that's why you're gonna play only one. So let's say just to show you guys, if I go to my YouTube, and if I go to my videos, and let's say we go into this one right here. I'm gonna play this, exit, and then pull down. As you guys can see, it changed. So now we can change from here. As you guys can see, I went to the next video. There you go. Unc0ver is the best, believe me. And also, I don't know you have tried the Taurine yet, but Taurine is pretty good too. But only the reason I don't, I did made a video on Taurine jailbreak, but I don't have it on my device. I mean, I do have it. I'm not saying I don't have it. It's right here. I can jailbreak with that, but I don't like the Cydia. That's the whole point. Since I've been in jailbreak community, I've been using the Cydia, and I love Cydia, and I think that's why I don't like Taurine. I mean, there's no issue, there's no problem with the Taurine jailbreak. Yes, you're right. So I think we've been using the Cydia for a long, long time, and that's why we can't just get up and change to something new. So I think that's why. So yeah, this is the Tweak Reach player. This is really awesome. It's fully working, 100%, no issue, no problem. So go download this and check this out. Now, the next one we are going to talk about, this one right here, is called Star VPN Premium. So, as you guys can see right here, the name Star VPN Premium. So, if I click right here, as you guys can see, it's already installed on my device. And that's all you have to do, install. No option to configure from, nothing you have to do. And as you guys can see right there, I have the application. You have to download this. Taurine is, yep, you're right. So download this application from your app store. It's called Star VPN. If we click on it, as you guys can see, read this right here. Premium by Cody More Dave. And if we exit out of here, go back to the Cydia and scroll right there. As you guys can see right there, that's the name you see on that thing. So it's, you can use it 100% free. You don't have to pay. If we click right here, as you guys can see, it says expire date is December 31st, 1969. And if we hit on upgrade, we get this option. But now let me show you guys, even we have those options, it's turn on right here. If I click right there and go to, let's say, United States, and then let's pick I don't know, let's do New York. There you go, it's connected and it's working. So you can pick any country from here. You have so much, like it's over 800 countries, 800 different VPNs that you can easily connect with one click. And there's no ad that you have to deal with. There's nothing that you have to deal with. This is really, really awesome VPN, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. Now, the next one we're going to take a look at. I'm going to go into recent install, and now okay, so you guys probably looking at all my UI changes. As you guys can see, this switch right here, it have face, have the glasses on. So I'm sure you guys probably wondering how I got those. So I'm going to show you guys that. So if I go back into right here, as you guys can see right there, the UI have been changed, and it's not just one page, it's throughout. As you guys can see right there, it's throughout the system. So able to change those button in your setting, just go to your Cydia and search for just a UI switch theme right here. There's just a UI switch theme. So once you search this, as you guys can see right here, there's a few of the screenshots. And once you download this, go to your settings, tweaks, and we're gonna go to snowboard, select theme. And as you guys can see, it's going to be right here, just a dark, or you can do I think it's only for the dark as of right now. I don't see any other. This one right here. So if once you download and enable it, and that's what your setting going to look like. As you guys can see, even apply to the snowboard switch as well. So if we go into this one right here, as you guys can see, it changes right here too. So this is really awesome theme for your switch in your setting application, and you guys can download that and check that one out. Now next one is this one right here, as you guys can see right here. Now this tweak basically set and make your device stand out. So as you guys can see these pictures right here, and this is theme as well. So once you download that, same procedure, go to your setting, go to tweaks, go to the snowboard, go right here, and we are going to select right here. You have alt icon or icons, so or you can do settings. So let's do all three. You have to pick one by one. I'm going to do this, scroll down again, and I'm going to do this as well. And then all you have to do, hit the apply change right there, respring. That will respring your device. Once I come back, we will take a look at how it looks. All right, so it's back. As you guys can see, all the icons have been changed. As you guys can see right here, the Cydia. It brings really cool colors, and then we're gonna go to settings. As you guys can see right here, it changes these little details of the arrows. So this is really, really awesome. And if we go into the control center. As you guys can see, it changed right here. So this is really awesome theme as well, and you guys can download that and check that one out. Let me know what you guys think about these tweaks, because to me it's awesome. They're really cool. I like it, and you can have I have so much themes installed on my device, and I did made a video a while back, and I'm thinking about making another one, but um, as you guys probably know, that a few days ago I did ask a question, what do you guys like me to make the next video? And about 89% of people choose tweaks. So that's why I've been making a bunch of tweak videos. But if you guys do want me to make a widget or the we are good, awesome. Thank you so much for asking. How about you? So if you guys want me to make a video of the widgets or themes, awesome. Stay good. Stay out of trouble, buddy. I will go ahead and make a special video for you guys. But as of right now, uh, so this is right here. Cool. Good to know. I will work on it. So as you guys can see right here, emoji library. So this is really awesome. And as you guys can see right here, your iOS version is supported. So basically, I just showed a little while ago that my this phone, iPhone 11 Pro Max, running on 14.3. So this is comparable with that. You got it, buddy. Thank you. So as you guys can see right here, emoji library. So emoji library is a developer library and a master library for most of Home Smart's emoji tweaks, including. So with this, you can do uh, a lot with this. You can create your own emojis. As you guys can see, display as an image properly, and they want to create emoji related tweak would find this useful. So if you like creating stuff and if you like to create your own emojis, you need to download this emoji library. This is really awesome. You can create anything, like any you can use your own pictures, you can use your own theme to create emoji, and then you can share with your friends and family there. This is a really awesome tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this one and checking this one out. So now next one, let's see which one we are going to take a look at. Side up, I think I did made a video on this one. So basically this is the widget right here. It's called Side Up. So once you download that, let me show you guys how to enable it. So what are we going to do? Go to tweaks, and you need the XEN HTML. Once you go into that, so let's say you want to put it on your lock screen. So click on lock screen, click on background, and we're gonna remove this one, and we're gonna select widget, and we're gonna find it's gonna be an S. So side up, as you guys can see right there. Now, as you guys can see, we have the calendar, we got the live clock, and then you got the option for your battery, for your ramp, for all the good information for your device. And then you got the time right here. Then you got the text. Right now, where I am, is you guys saw it's almost 9 o'clock. So that's why I say good evening. And then you can have all your favorite apps right here. And then in the bottom, as you can see, we got, if we hit this, we can cancel it. This right here, this is really important button. So it's like a setting gear. If we click on that, and now you have this menu pop up. And not all of the widget have this pop-up window. So the first one is you can do reload widget, enable this. You can enable the 24-hour clock, switch that. And then you can do set up a screen. Now, set up screen, basically, if we click on this, you have 4 options. You can do calendar, you can do news, you can do sleep screen, you can do weather. So as of right now, and the default, you got the calendar. Now we can change to news. So just click on news, go back, and done. And as you guys can see, we have the news right here. So you can adjust wherever you want to put it right there. If we exit, swipe down, and bam, right here. You have all the imported latest news. You have these 2 toggles right here. And you can go up and down with that. So you can move these if you don't want, or you can keep those and just read the imported shortcut of your news. And if we go back into this, click on this, click on the gear. And the next one, we're going to go back into that, and then we're going to do the sleep screen. So if we select the sleep screen, go back, done. As you guys can see, we have this clock right here. You have nothing else but that. And then if you want to do, let's say, put it right there, or you want to scroll down, put it right there. It's up to you wherever you want to put it. And just like that, you can change it to that. And now the next one we are going to take a look at it. We're going to go to gear again, select the setup screen, and we're going to do a weather. If we click on weather, go back, hit done. As you guys can see, we got the weather on our lock screen. So it gives you a lot of information. Like, as you guys can see, you got the current weather, you got the cloud, and then you got the right here Friday, Saturday for next 2 days, and then you got the hourly weather down here. As you guys can see right there, 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11, and 12. And as you guys can see, it gives you the temperature for each hour. So now the next option right here, apps, color, text color, you can change that. You can button background, you can change that. Calendar color 2, calendar account color, and then you got the weather color. So you can change any color, any elements that you put it on your lock screen, you can change the color for that. There's so many options to choose from. There's so much stuff that you can choose. But only the thing is that you have to get the code for the color you're looking for. You can search at the Google engine, and you can copy and paste right here. Remove the first one. Just click right there. And then remove this, and then paste your favorite. So just like that, you can have customize your lock screen, or you can do a home screen, 1 page, or you can do like throughout the system. You can do so on your Springboard. But I will say this widget looks really cool on your lock screen, not on your home screen. But they did give you an option to do it on your home screen too, if you like. Now, this one right here, I'm sure I have it, and I'm sure all of you guys have this tweak, Shuffle. Now, as you guys can see, it has been updated for iOS 14.3. And if we go down, as you guys can spot it, firmware and then version right here, and then total downloads. It shows how many people downloaded. This is really awesome. And then if we go down to description right here, and as you guys can see right there, the latest change. So this is the latest change to this shuffle tweak. So if you guys haven't updated yet, I will say go ahead update to the latest update, because I think that's what we already made. Yep. So I think everything else I already have covered. Now this one right here, settler. Now this tweak right here, it's downloaded on my device, as you guys can see right here. Once you download this, go to your settings, go to your tweak section, and it's going to be right here, this one right here. As you guys can see right here, this is the interface for this. Now with this, request an icon. So from this developer, you can request an icon or any specific icon that you want to change. All you have to do, click on this right here. It will take you to the form. It's like a document, google.com, and you can put in your information and request, and you can ask question and anything. This is really, really awesome and to get in touch with. And it's like doco.google.com, and this is awesome. I did submit a couple requests, and I'm still waiting on it. And let's see what happens. I'll let you guys know if the developer update and get back to me. But as of right now, I think it's must have. If you are jailbroken and you like customizing your device, and if there is something, the specific icon you're looking for, and it's not available on the Cydia yet, you can request from this developer, and he will get back to you as soon as possible. So I think that's about it. Actually, I want to talk about one quick Cydia tweak. I don't think I put that in the video, so it's going to be this one right here. It's called Tab Me. As you guys can see, this is the interface for this, and only the stuff you can do with this is just to make fun. And once you download this from Cydia, and just type in the search box tap me and download it. And once you download it, as you guys can see, the first option is to able tweak, and then you can do hectic feedback, turn that on. Then you can do light, medium, or heavy. That's the sound, how you want the sound to so you can, I set it to heavy. And now this is the last section right here you want to go to. So as you guys can see, tab sounds. So if we click on this, we have all these different sounds right here. So what I'm going to do, let me turn up my volume. So now let's start with the first one. Hold on, let me, okay. Now, there you go. Coronavirus. You can set that. Now, if now this been set, all we have to do, exit out of this, and if I go back into my folder, there you go. Every time you touch any, every time you touch any application on your Springboard, that's what you're gonna get. So if I do the Alt Store, there you go. Oh man, wow. It's a good thing I opened this because as you guys can see, everything is about to expire. There's 0 day left. So I have to update my Alt Store. So now if we go back into the, this is really funny if you want to mess with the, you know, your friends or families and, you know, just, or you're out at the grocery store and you just want to tap whatever and then like, you know, behind the customer, they're going to freak out. Now, let me tell you, it's a lot of fun. So now next one is we can do the Cardi B. There you go. So Cardi B laughing. So this is another one. I'm sorry guys. Then you got the Cardi B. Okay. Then you got the fart 1. And then you got the fart 2. And then you got this one right here. Then you got so there's as you guys can see, there's and also if you go all the way in the bottom right there, you have 3 options right there. You can custom sound 1, 2, and 3. You can custom your own. You can put whatever you want. We click on this, and then you can choose it. I mean, it's really fun. You know, just for fun, I just want to show you guys really quick. I never put this in a video, but since I'm live, and I just want to show it to you guys. This is really awesome tweak. I like it. I use it sometime, but it's up to you guys. And also, let me know if you guys download it and you guys end up testing it, and let me know how it goes because to me, it's pretty funny. So yeah, that's so far it. Also I just want to ask one quick question from everyone. Are you guys having the issue with the let's see, what is it? Snowboard application. Now, as you guys can see, if we go to our setting, go to tweaks and go to snowboard, we can actually work with this. There's no issue. But as you guys can see, I just remember it. Now I have the application on my Springboard as well. So if I click on this, if I go to select theme, it crash. So I don't know what is going on. Let me do it one more time. And if I open up, it opens up. But every time I go to select a theme, it crashes. So if I go into the Cydia, and let's go to search bar. Snowboard. And now, as you guys can see right there, if I open this up and scroll down, the latest your iOS version is comparable, and as you guys can see right there, it says comparable with iOS 7.0 all the way to 14.3. So I don't know, for some reason it's not working on my device. The application is working in the setting, but it's not working on my Springboard. So I don't know what is going on. And if a developer of this tweak watching this video, please fix it because we need the quick access. Sometimes you don't want to go to your setting. You just want to, open up from the Springboard, and the Springboard application is not working for the snowboard. So if any of you guys having this problem, or if you guys did not have this installed on your device, try to install it, the snowboard application, and see if it worked for you. And if it does, or if it don't, let me know in the comments below, because I am trying to contact the developer and see if he can fix it, or see if he can give us update what's the problem. It could be. Thanks for the. Okay, awesome. So I have to check with all the tweaks that maybe there's one of the tweak that is causing that, right? So thank you for the feedback. That was awesome. I appreciate it. And I will go and check that and see which tweak is causing that issue. So what I'm going to do, let's close that. And what I'm going to do, let me go into this. So we're going to download this one of the tweak and see. See if this tweak can tell me what is going on. All right, so let's respring. And there you go. All right. So this is for your battery. And right here, it kind of tell you, okay, there it is. So if I click on this, block UX. Okay, so there it is. It was that easy. So this is the one package that causing that to crash on the snowboard application on my Springboard. So I have to go look into this. This is really, really awesome. So I was thinking it probably issue from the actual application, but no, it's there's another package that causing that problem. So now I'm probably gonna have to look into it afterward. So now, is there any tweak or theme you guys want me to talk about while I'm streaming live? If you guys do, let me know. I think so far I had all the new ones. I already covered it. So if you guys want me to show you guys any other tweak, or you guys are having problem, or you guys need the repo for any tweak, let me know and I'll be happy to help you guys. While I got you guys here, and while I'm here, let's see what you guys Just ask question. This one right here. Let me show you guys how easy we can mess up the device. So if I do this, are you sure? Yes. Let's go into respring. There you go. Now, as you guys can see, my dock been changed. The text labels for each application been changed. And the whole springboard been organized. As you guys can see my spotlight. If I go all the way to app library, everything been changed. The search bar right there been changed. The color been changed, blue. As you guys can see my control center. One tweak, take all these effects, and this is really, really awesome. And I did made a video on that. Hi, Window Man. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. See you next time. Look at my icon shape. It's really smaller than before. And a folder. And then we got this right there. I think you guys already have this. Look at my battery widget right there. Right now it's just showing the phone battery, but if I open up my AirPods, right there, as you guys can see, there you go. So my AirPods is open, and as you guys can see now, this is the phone, 100%. Then we got the AirPod Pro case, and then the right, and then the left. And I like the shape. You can change to any shape these indicators. It's really awesome. So I think that's all for right now. I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who came to my live stream. And that's all for today. And thank you for being a part of this. I really appreciate it. And I'll try to go live more often, but I'm just trying to find a time to do so. And let me know in the comments what you guys think about this live streams and everything. And once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys